Yamaha FC25 was a well-kept secret by Yamaha. Yamaha has made it for India as a natural progression to the ever-so-successful FC series. Malti is one of the first few owners of the FC25 and uses it as her daily commute and for the occasional touring. She previously owned the FZ, and let's find out how her experience has been with the bigger FZ. Hi Malti, welcome to the show. Well, the FC25 is brand new in the market, and Yamaha says that it's a natural progression from the FZ series. What made you choose this bike?
Hi Swati, thanks for having me on the show. I was riding the FZS for a couple of years and I wanted something with more power. While I was eyeing this bike, I also wanted to try other options in the market. So I did try the Duke, did not like the sound. And the Dominar, a little too heavy for me. Apache RTR, overall not a very good bike. So this was the obvious choice, and because of the familiar stance and allows me to also do more touring. So that's why I picked this bike up.
Well, the FC25 is not a typical 250cc motorcycle. At least on paper, it looks a little underpowered. So how has your experience been with it?
Compared to most other bikes, it is underpowered, yes, primarily because of the 2-valve setup as compared to the 4 in the other 250cc segment bikes. But that said, I think when it comes to performance, I've taken it to the ghats, I've taken it on highways, city driving. It is optimum wherever you take it. So I think it gives you that flexibility to take it anywhere and yet perform. And that's the advantage. So the bike has completed 5,000 kilometers and it gives me a mileage of around 32, which is amazing. That said, what I really like about this bike is it maintains all the practical features of the FZ series, but it packs a punch. So it has just the right amount of torque when you're handling in the city. So that's one part, and the other part is when you take it on the highways, it revs quite easily and really pushes the speed limit.
Alright, then how has your experience been in terms of handling and braking?
It's a Yamaha, so it handles like a dream, no doubt about that. The overall lightweight of the bike makes it very easy to and agile in city driving, especially around nooks and corners. But take it to the mountains around the hairpin bends, again it handles very gracefully. It's sticky because of the great tires. So handling is brilliant overall. Braking is good too. The front brakes are sharp. More so around wet terrain, I feel much more confident riding my bike versus a CBR. That said, an ABS is missing for sure. That's something I would have liked on this bike.
Alright, let's talk about maintenance now. What are the running and service costs of the FC25, and are you happy with the service provided by the company?
The running costs are almost negligible. I've not spent on anything besides filling fuel for this bike. Again, the service costs are also comparable to the FZS, very much not very expensive. The one thing I did notice is significant difference after the first service. The bike feels much smoother after that. That's it. I've heard of complaints of Yamaha service centers, but I've faced no particular issues. It's overall been a very smooth experience with them.
Okay, so finally, do you suggest any changes or modifications to make the bike and the ownership experience any better?
The bike is a great package overall, except maybe a few pointers here and there for feedback. The first one would be the headlamps. I think what happens is it tends to get dimmed down in case there are other lights coming in its way, so brighter headlamps would have been better. In fact, I'm planning to possibly, add on some ancillary lights just to make sure it's safer, especially in dark conditions. That's one thing. Second thing, the ABS definitely is something added as a variant would be great. Builds more confidence when you're riding, when you have an ABS variant. Thirdly, the colors. Right now we just have 3, ballistic blue being the best pick of the lot. But I would like a bright red option also. I think that's something that Yamaha should look at.
Alright Malti, it was great having you on the show. Thank you for being with us.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Well, the FC25 is certainly not a typical 250cc motorcycle. It is essentially a small bike with a big heart. Thank you for watching this video. Please share your comments and questions below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.